Hey guys, it's the Detail Geek here. Today we're going to be detailing the interior of my wife's Acura MDX. You might recognize this vehicle from my How to Apply a Ceramic Coating video. If you haven't seen that, feel free to click the link up there and give that a look. So today we're going to be going through the interior, and to be honest, I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you what kind of state this thing's in, but it's our kid hauler, and it hasn't been done for a while, so it's pretty messy, but either way that'll make for a good video. Okay, so as we go through this video, I'm going to show you all the steps required to properly detail the inside of a car. I'll show you all the products I use, and I'll put links to those in the description box below. And just before we get going here, if you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn the little bell on, that way you won't miss any of my future videos. And also hit that thumbs up button for me, it lets me know that you guys are enjoying these videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get going. Okay, so I thought I would start by showing you guys what the interior looks like at the moment. And although it's not super bad, I should probably be ashamed that I actually let it get this out of hand. Also, whoever can correctly guess the number of French fries I found in the comment section below, you'll get a fancy prize. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is remove all the car seats and get those out of the way. And then we can worry about all the extra stuff like the toys, the socks, the shoes, and all those French fries. Oh, so many French fries. Then the next step is to start vacuuming and get as much of the dirt and dust out as possible. Next, I'll clean and scrub the floor mats and then turn my attention to any minor spills or stains in the carpet using an all-purpose cleaner. Okay, so now that we've got the carpets clean and the floor mats nice and clean, the next thing we're going to do is take our all-purpose cleaner. We're going to start cleaning all the interior trim. So for this is actually leather, and this is a fairly heavily soiled area, and especially in here where you open and close the door. So we'll spray a little bit on here, a couple squirts into our brush, and just agitate. Really get into the seams of the leather here. And once we're done, we'll just wipe it off with a microfiber and it'll be nice and clean. Much better. Then I'll go around the entire interior, following the same process, and get into all the nooks and crevices to get all the dust out and ensure every surface is clean. Next, I repeat the process on all the door jambs in order to get all the dirt and dust out. This is typically an area that people can overlook, but it can really make a big difference in the quality of your detail. Next up is the leather, and for this I start with a leather cleaner and thoroughly go over every inch of the leather, and then it's followed up with a leather conditioner, which leaves the leather looking and smelling like new. Okay, so now that we've got the leather cleaned and conditioned, one of the last steps on the interior is to apply a UV protectant, and for that I use Aerospace 303, which I absolutely love. It gives it a nice, it's a nice sheen, not like an Armor All kind of shine, just a nice sheen. Does a great job with UV protection, looks good, love this product. So put some on our pad, and we'll go around the entire interior and apply that to all of the vinyl, leather, plastics, all that stuff. Very last step is to clean the glass inside and out, and for this you always want to ensure you're doing it out of the sun so you don't get any streaking. I also recommend doing a final vacuum at this point to pick up any remaining debris that may have appeared from going in and out of the vehicle so many times. Okay, now it's time to back this thing out of the garage so we can see just how good it looks. And if you have kids like me, it's probably a good idea to take some pictures at this point so you can look back on them fondly in about a week when you're going through the McDonald's drive-thru for like the 3rd time that week and you look back and your kids are already eating French fries. Oh boy. Anyways, as you can see, I've got the MDX looking damn good, and I'm now cringing at the thought of turning the keys back over to my wife. But we need a kid hauler, so I'll be armed and ready to do this all over again in about a month. Well, maybe more like 3 months. But then it'll be winter, so it might be 6. Who am I kidding? It'll probably be next summer when it's full of French fries again.
Alright guys, well that's all the steps that you need to do to properly detail your vehicle. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you subscribe down below if you did. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'll have more awesome detailing videos like this coming your way soon. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.